Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to connect the E88 drone to its remote control. Okay, first of all you need to turn on your drone. Press and hold the power button on the drone. After that you need to press the power button, press and hold on your remote control. Okay, after the beep sound, release the button. And now it automatically connect to the drone. You can see the camera on here, and sometimes if it not connect, you need to rotate the two button here, the control button, the same together at the same time. Okay, just rotate it, and now you can see the drone is connect to the remote. Okay, to stop the drone you need to press the left key down, hold on, and now you can see the propeller stop rotate. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can connect your E88 drone to the remote control. And now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.